Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 8. Get ready for the dictation. Start. As far as I can say, the reason is that although the utility of the new system has been proved, our faith in the old system of education remains unshaken. That is also why most of those who are engaged in the work of education have not given much thought to the new system. All that we can say is that even today the new system has not gone beyond the experimental stage. Our government has not decided to popularize it as a part of its constructive program, let alone doing anything practical for it. I know that in the various conferences we have had so far, resolutions have been adopted in favor of it, and government agreed that the new system should be adopted, but actually it has not been done. Consequently, educational institutions of the old type are daily increasing, and whatever budgetary provision government makes under the head education is spent mainly on keeping the old system of education intact. Naturally, the new system has received little encouragement. My own view is that unless fundamental changes are made in the current system, the said state of affairs that we see today will become sadder. The feeling of discontent among the educated and their utter dissatisfaction with life will continue to grow. I would therefore urge that all those concerned with the education of children, our educationists, universities, and the governing bodies of colleges and schools, education ministers, etc., should give not only theoretical consideration to this problem but do something practical to change the present system of education. Unless this is done, the problem would become more and more complicated. I am very happy that the Talimi Sange has been carrying on its work undeterred by difficulties. I cannot say that its activities have influenced educational trends in the country to any considerable extent, but I must admit that whatever is being done by it is of great value to the country. Its usefulness would be realized when, sooner or later, compelled by circumstances, we shall have to introduce fundamental changes in the system obtaining today. At that time, the experience acquired by workers of the Talimi Sange will come handy. As I said earlier, our experiment in the sphere of primary and secondary education has been successful, and we can confidently recommend the new system to our countrymen at these two stages. We cannot say the same in respect of higher education in view of the inadequate adequacy of our experience. Therefore, I attach great importance to your work. I hope the unfavorable atmosphere will not detract your workers and they would continue to do their job. Stop.